Hello and welcome to our Advent dance tutorials. Today we're doing a bit of a swing step or Charleston. So we're doing a single, single, and then we're going hop, hop, hop. So it's single, single, hop, hop, hop. Single, single, hop, hop, hop. Okay, so to make that more pronounced and more in keeping with the style is sort of fun, sprightly, and sort of jazz handy style type thing. So we're going single, we're going to use the hands to work with us, single, and then swap. So it's over here, so this hand is going up that way, and this arm is going down. So they're going opposites. So single, so as if they're coming across each other, like that, and then back. Single, single. Okay, so it's single, we're coming over with the arms, bending our weight into this foot as we go up that way. And then when we're swapping over and the hand going up, we're bending that knee, that respective knee. So single, single, and then we're coming back to this one. So you start to go into another one, and we might do a single, single, double if we were doing, say, a merengue or something, but we're not. We're going single, single, and then we're going to rise up onto this leg. This one can be perfectly straight with foot flexed, and then we're going up, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now to give it more of a flavour of Charleston, we're going to do a little shaking of the wagging of the finger. Or it can be circling. I can't really do the circling, it's tricky, so I'm going to just do the shaking, and I'm going to put this other hand on my hip as I do it. So it's single, single, and bum, bum, bum. Single, single, and da, da, da. Single, single, and da, da, da. Single, single, da, da, da. Hope you enjoyed it. Please write in the comments if you've got any more questions on that one, and tag your friends so they can join in too.